Hello learners, welcome to the Action Group discussion with Professor RSK.
Thank you, sir.
Today we are discussing the importance of the sun to the earth. Before we begin, I want you all to know that even ancient people have recognized what the sun can bring to life on earth. Much more, most of them even considered the sun as God. The Egyptian sun god is known as Ra, for Babylonians it was known as Marduk, and the Sumerians called it Udu. The Aztecs of central Mexico offered human sacrifices to the sun, believing that it would maintain the strength of the sun to prevent the end of the world. Many structures were built by cultures in early times to follow the motion of the sun. Today, with people knowing almost everything about the sun, the answer to why the sun is important is apparent.
Sir, may I share my findings?
Please do.
The sun's gravity keeps the Earth and other planets on their places in the solar system.
Without the sun, then the Earth may be floating endlessly in space.
I also discovered that the sun provides the light and heat every living organism needs to exist. The plants use light to produce food for humans and animals through the process called photosynthesis. It is believed that the extinction happened about 65 billion years ago was caused by the darkening of global skies as the Earth was struck by an asteroid. The dust produced by this catastrophic event darkened the atmosphere for several years, killing the plants that eventually caused for animals to die. The sun's heat is responsible why the planet Earth can support life by making liquid water exists. It is also this heat that brings about the movement of air called wind.
I read that life today will not be convenient without electricity to power everything people use in his everyday life. The sun is a main source of energy that can be transformed to other forms of energy. Fossil fuels, the main source of petroleum, would not be present if not of the sun. Solar energy is also a source of renewable energy. The energy of the sun is necessary for life on Earth. The solar energy produced makes it possible to inhabit the Earth's surface. As National Geographic points out, plants need sunlight to grow. Both animals and humans rely on plants for the food that they produce as well as the oxygen that they generate. Without the heat source provided by the sun, Earth would freeze.
Good research work, I am proud of you all. Before we close today's discussion, I would like to summarize all the points you raised. 1. Solar energy is also essential to agriculture. One great example of a solar development that was important to humans was the greenhouse. Greenhouses convert sunlight to heat and make it possible to grow plants out of season. Solar energy can also be used to power solar ovens when it may not be possible to start a fire. Finally, the sun is more being used today to create electricity. End of lesson task. Write the following question. Question 1. Write 4 importance of the sun and explain 1. Thank you for your participation. Subscribe to our YouTube channels and share your comments. Bye.